Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the MS Excel video course tutorials. Now in this video tutorial, I will explain how to implement multiple conditions using only nested if on an Excel sheet. So let's start the tutorial. If I am adding here 100 is old. Now I am adding 120 is a legend. If I add 8 years is a child. If I add 19 is a teenager. 22 is a younger. And 35 is a young. 22 is a young. 1 is child. 99 is old. And 45 is a middle age. See? If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates. Notice on this sheet 1 contains in the C and D column age and group are there. In C column, if you notice between 1 and 12, the group between age and 1 and 12 is a child. And whereas between 13 and 19, the age group, they are teenagers. And whereas if you check the 51, between 51 and 100 is old. If above 100 years is a legend. If you check in the F column, the age, I have already written some age here. I have given some age groups here. Now I want to satisfy this condition here automatically, the multiple conditions using nested if. So whatever the age between, suppose here 28 years, and this age group belongs to this younger age, young group. So I want to get here young here. The age group is young. Is 28 years. Like that I want to get all this group here using nested if condition. So let's write the formula. I have selected G3 is equals to if the age group, age column I am selecting is F3. F3 is less than equals to 12. If less than equals to 12, I want to is a child. I want to display the age is 12, the child, and if F3 is less than equals to 19, is a teenager. Notice the formula here at the formula bar, comma, again if condition, if F3 is less than equals to 35. So if the age group is less than equals to 35 is a younger, comma, young, comma, and another if condition, if F3, the column name is F3, the cell name is F3, less than equals to 50. If less than equals to 50 is a middle age. Comma, if less than 100, less than equals to 100, comma, sorry, here we have to write F3, the column. I am adding the formula to this F3 cell, 100 and is a old. And the last if condition, if F3, we don't require another if condition, just here if condition takes 3 parameters. If the condition is true, we will get the true. If it's false, I want to get legend here between double quotes. Now here most important, we have to close the brackets here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So let's close 5 brackets. 4 here and last one 5. enter. See here we got the child. The age 9 is belongs to the child group. Now select the group which is a G3 cell. Notice here the cell contains at the corner there is a small box here. Place the cursor there. Notice the cursor belongs to plus symbol. Double click that one. See here we got all the age groups here. If you check here, if I am adding here 100 is old. Now I am adding 120 is a legend. If I add 8 years is a child. If I add 19 is a teenager. 22 is a younger. 35 is a young. 22 is a young. 1 is child. 99 is old. And 45 is a middle age. See, using nested if condition, how to implement multiple conditions in Excel sheet. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. Catch you in my next video tutorial.